Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Easy Tricks app. In today's video, I will tell you how to change Snapchat notification sound. For this, just open Snapchat app and from now, just click to your chats. Now you can see these are my chats. For example, if I want to change the notification sound of this chat, I will just click and hold on the name, and these are the options. You just need to click on chat settings, and here you can see these are the options. Message notifications. In second last option, you can turn on or turn off message notifications, and the last option here is notification sounds. If I press on notification sounds, it is asking me to subscribe to Snapchat Plus. If I click to subscribe and I click to next, this is asking me for a subscription and subscription fee. You can subscribe and you can turn on this option. But the good news is, if you subscribe, you can start a free trial for the first week. In this way, it will charge you after the first week, so you can subscribe to Snapchat Plus and you can unsubscribe it later before the deadline of 1 week. In this way, you will be able to change Snapchat notification sounds. That's it from today's video, guys. If you are new to our channel, like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for future notifications. Take care.